Good morning. Hello, guys. Happy hump day. Happy Wednesday. So, today I have a lot of charts that I like that I'm looking at. They're looking very bullish if the market holds here or if the market goes up. So, first of all, SPY, QQQ, both are being trading on a like pretty much on a range, like it's SPY between 451 and 446. That's the range that SPY's been trading, and I don't think it's gonna move much like outside of those two level of support and resistance until we have CPI tomorrow morning pre-market. QQQ a little different, but at the same time it's also trading on a range between 376 and 372. We want to see QQQ holding 372 today because yesterday went all the way down, but it had like a very strong bounce from this blue area that I have here, that it's the gap that it needs to fill. But yeah, we want to see QQQ holding 372. That's an important level for today. 372, 451, 4. So pre-market high on SPY is around 450.67, 66. So that's an important level for rejection. SPY right now it's rejecting that level. Maybe it's gonna fill the gap until yesterday's close. For individual stocks, I love coin. I'm in my coin calls that I entered yesterday. I really like how coin held this 86, 85 level of support. Right now it's around above 88.50. So I do love that. I'm not gonna trade coin today because I'm already in. I have coin on my main account and also on the small account. Meta hasn't changed much. It's still on this small, like it's getting like a tighter and tighter this bull flag or wedge. So we want to see Meta keep holding 310. As long as Meta keeps holding 310, I'm bullish. But again, we need the market, we need at least QQQ holding or going higher. My favorites for today, well, I also have HD, Google, and I post Apple. I don't think I'm gonna play Apple, but like I said on Monday and yesterday, I think Apple right now it's very important. So we have it on our screen and just seeing how Apple is moving. But my main like trades, like possible trade for today are HD and CAT. Both are down stocks and both have like a very like bullish chart with a wedge or flag, however you want to call it. But this is CAD, and I think as long as CAD is holding 280, it's pretty bullish. Even if it goes down to 276 and holds there, I think it's still very bullish. I would love to see CAD opening above yesterday high, or at least holding yesterday high, and then so maybe we can make a call play to 288, and then it will be um a retest of all-time high. That's CAD. HD HD is at a very good level, like 329, 327. I think it's a very good level for a possible breakout of this downtrend. It kind of looks like a flag or a break and retest of 325, 326. Even if HD goes down to 326, 325, I like it if it can hold here, and I'll be looking to play a bounce here. So those and Google, just the same level that's been moving the past, I don't know, week maybe. the past few days. Okay. Okay, so we want to see QQQ holding here. Otherwise, the market is gonna die. Everything's gonna go down a lot. So SPY fill the gap here. We want to see it holding here. That's the like aftermarket yesterday high. We want to see it holding around here. 449, 448.50. And same with QQQ. We want to see QQQ holding here. Okay, I like that hold on QQQ. Nvidia, it's at around 440. I like Google, it's holding very good yesterday high. And CAD also is looking very good here. But first, I want to see confirmation that QQQ is going to hold here. 372, 371.50. That level. And the same for SPY. I want to see it holding here. Like we need confirmation for a bullish move. Yes, we have CPI tomorrow pre-market. So we'll see. CAD is looking very good. And we want to see coin holding 86, 87. But nothing is gonna hold if SPY and QQQ keep going down. Oh, where? Okay, I like that move on QQQ. Okay, Amazon it's at 139, which is should act as support, and I think it's a good entry if QQQ can hold there. I'm getting QQQ calls because the risk to reward there is too good. It's gonna be today 373. My stop loss is gonna be if loses let's see, around 371.50. But I kind of like that um level also for puts. I'm gonna get a cat let's see, 290 weekly. The QQQ call is a little bit risky because still the market's looking weak. But the risk to reward here is very good. So, but it's still looking weak. Like we could also get puts here with a stop loss above, it can be 373 because it's under VWAP and 9EMA and it's rejecting there. So that could be a hedge also. Okay. Okay. So the market's definitely weak. Let's see, we want to see QQ holding here and same for SPY. They are both at support, but it looks like it's gonna die. Apple is just dying, Meta too. Yeah, I'm in CAT, but I don't recommend it. I don't know. I don't really like playing Netflix. I don't really play Netflix, honestly. Everything's gonna die right now because QQQ and SPY both are dying, so everything's gonna die. Also, Apple is very weak. Meta also very weak. Google is trying to hold here. HD is holding very good so far. Let's see if we can bounce back above VWAP. If goes back up and rejects here, I'm gonna get puts. Google is looking very good. It's holding very, very good. It's holding yesterday high, which is very bullish. But it can be just a retest of VWAP and INEMA also. So we'll see. Coin is it's trying to hold here 87. It's very strong. I really like how Coin Daily is looking so far. So Coin, Google, HD so far looking good. Are holding very good. Mostly Google. I really like how Google is holding here. But I will wait a little bit. I want to see SPY holding VWAP and INEMA as support. And same with QQQ. But Apple is very, very weak. So probably is gonna drag the market down, or at least the tech market. Also, SPY is like in the middle of the range, like 451 is resistance and 446 is support. So it's right in the middle. Yeah, the Q definitely very weak. I think it's because of Apple. That was an ugly rejection of Google here. Rejecting VWAP and INEMA also this morning high. Mm, 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 mm. So the play today was Kibuts. That three cent, like this pre-market low rejection. HD is trying to break out here. Yeah, coin is fighting 87. It's fighting 87. I like what CAD is doing. HD. I think HD right now is the best one. But it's gonna be a little bit difficult for with the market going down. Ooh, Nvidia lost 440. That's an ugly move. Under 440. Yeah. And Meta is at 310. We want to see Meta holding 310. Google is very, very strong. Very. Also CAD. Let's see if CAD is gonna break 288. Nice. 20% on AMD. That's a good one. Congrats. And let's see if Apple can hold yesterday high. We want to see Apple holding yesterday high. For the market to hold here or move higher. $35. What's 35? Okay, I love this CAD move here. We need the market to hold here. So we can go higher today. QQQ is right at support. 370. $55 Nvidia. That was beautiful. Beautiful play. Okay, CAD looking beautiful here. But Apple keeps just dying. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see Nvidia. Yeah, why did you got out of Nvidia? Nvidia's all red. I don't see why selling Nvidia. It's all red until like maybe here because it is a kind of bullish candle here, but all this is all red. But if you have a small account, and you only have one contract, um, I don't see like a bad thing, like locking profits, but you need to lock profit when it's like a clear point with the stock maybe goes back on you. But if not, I don't see why not holding. Like Nvidia was all red. Like there's nothing that is telling you to sell Nvidia. Okay, so Meta is at 310. We want to see Meta holding here. 430 puts on what? 4 oh 430 I guess on Nvidia. Ooh, that's a big ugly move on the Q. If you have a very small account, don't play Nvidia. It's a bad move. Play Nvidia with a small account. You need to play stuff that are cheaper because you're selling just because you're scared because your account is too small. That's why you're selling early. So you should not be playing Nvidia. Ooh, Meta it's like done so. So the play today was play QQQ boots at the open. I didn't get that, so I don't think I'm gonna play anything else. Well, at least I don't see like playing boots here. It's just like chasing. It's a very, very bad entry if I get to play boots here. So unless we see the market like kind of holding a support and changing direction, I could play a bounce here, but otherwise I don't see a play. Yeah. So like I said, the play was to play the rejection of pre-market low on QQQ. You got bad in Kava? Why? Well, yeah, it looks like a bad idea. Definitely. But I don't know. You want to, if you're in Kava, you want to see it holding 14, 50. You want to see it holding 50, but it's in a, it lost the uptrend. So I think maybe it goes back down to 46. So the market, like people's been asking me about the small account. The thing is, the market right now, um, it's not ideal for the small account because you gotta like do scalps or day trades. And I don't think scalping or day trading on a small account, it's kind of like a good play. The small account, it's only gonna grow with big percentages wins, and that's with swing trading, not with scalps. It's like pretty much impossible to grow a small account with scalps. Yeah, Meta's in the gap. I'm looking Meta, but I don't know. Meta's been like very stubborn to fill the gap. So, and QQQ is at support right now, the 370 support. So I don't know. I don't love this play in the meta gap. Like at least right now. Okay, so gold is losing it, CAD is holding, HD is holding, coin is holding. I'm in CAD, but I don't recommend it. I'm holding CAD and coin, CAD calls and coin, but I don't recommend it until I see the market giving me like support, like a strong support. So far, everything's like going down. It hasn't given us like a strong support. It's trying, like SPY is trying to hold 48 and QQQ 370. So this is like a 30-minute engulfing bearish candle. So for a change of direction, we need like support here. And so far, we don't even have like a 30-minute candle that it's green or a 15-minute candle that it's green. So it looks like so far, like right now, it looks like we're gonna keep going lower until we have like a clear support. But HD is like trying to break out. Like we gotta be patient. If we didn't like enter when we needed to enter a trade, we need to wait and see for a clear good opportunity. If we chase, we're gonna lose money. So we need to wait and see. Like coin so far is looking very good. CAD also it's holding very good. Like I'm up in coin 3%. So and that's the trade from yesterday. CAD is down 2% and QQQ puts is down 47%. I'm sorry, QQQ calls. But I only got one, so I don't really care much. But if I see QQQ holding here, I'm gonna get more calls. RTX. Yeah, but it's still like it's there. It could be doing a head and shoulder, so I don't love it. Unless RTX hold 88 as support, I still don't love it. Okay, so this is a 50-minute reverse candle on SPY and this one too on QQQ. Also, Apple is near support 178. It looks like it's support on Apple. Let's see if SPY can hold here. Like if can hold 448 as support, which was resistance here yesterday. We want to see a SPY holding VWAP and 90 EMA as support. But it looks like a kind of like a bear flag trajecting unless it breaks here. Mm-mm-mm. So yeah, we're definitely rejecting here. Let's see if Meta can bounce to 309, 310, and we can play the rejection there. But I don't think we're gonna get it because SPY and QQ are just dying. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. So we gotta be patient here. Like, ooh. We're looking very bearish so far. Not a single green candle on bigger time frame, so pretty bearish. Now coin is dying. It's breaking out of the a bear flag, rejecting the 88 level. We want to see it holding 85, 84. Yeah, Meta's going for that 310. I will wait, honestly. If you want to swing trade coin, I will wait. Okay, so when you see the either SPY or QQ kind of like not able to break a level and keeps holding here for kind of like a long time, uh that's bullish. I know it is still under pre-market low, under VWAP and 90 MA, but seeing and holding this support here, that for me is bullish. Okay, so Meta is going for that 310 level. That's a good risk to reward there. If you want to trade Meta, I don't feel like doing it. I don't know. Because the SPY and QQQ both are at support. Maybe keeps going lower, but I don't know. I don't feel like trading, like getting into Meta puts here. But it looks like it's gonna reject there. So if you guys want to try it, you can do like the risk to reward here is very good. You can do like a stop loss around above 311 and it's rejecting there. But I don't know. I don't feel like taking it. But I do think it's a good entry there. Mm. So we start with the slow action right now. So far, the only one that I really, really like it's Google because it's holding very, very good. Yeah, waiting for 85 on coin is a good risk to reward there. I'm taking Google calls because I like how it's holding there, the 132. Um, I'm gonna hold unless QQQ loses this morning low. I'm playing with a small position because I don't love how the market is moving, but I like the risk to reward here. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so I think as long as the market keeps holding here, like QQQ 370, SPY 448, we may get a bounce from the strongest um stocks, which is the one that I see, it's Google and HD. HD is also looking very good. Meta is rejecting, like rejected that 310, the VWAP and INEMA, but I don't know, I don't trust that rejection. Like I would love this break and retest of 310 if SPY and QQQ were not so close to support and holding. Yeah, I'll try that. Damn, HD, it's like breaking out. Look, HD, it's very strong. Very, very strong. Sadly, I picked CAD over HD, but CAD is just holding. At least it's holding so far. And not right now. Yeah, the Dow. Mhm. Okay, so we're breaking down that it's very bearish. I'm getting out of Google because the market definitely bearish. No, it's no. It looks like it's topped me out, but Kiki is trying to hold here. That's an ugly break. If you guys got into the meta retest of 310, you should be green now. It's looking great. That meta like rejection of 310. Tech is definitely like QQ is definitely weaker than SPY. Let's see how this candle is gonna close, because if this candle closes holding like 370.20, I think the market might move higher later today, but right now it's looking very bearish because it's holding support, and I think it stopped me out from Google. Well, we'll see. CAD still surviving here. Apple moving lower. Like how I see the market is the past few days, weeks, it's been like move fast, like at open, and then doesn't do anything until afternoon. Um, the thing is like Apple, it's I will I want to see Apple like holding 177. Like it is still not at support. Like it should go down, retest yesterday's low and Monday's low, and then hold there. I think that's when the market maybe stop selling off. But right now it's like in the middle here between 180 and 177. So this is a difficult thing about trading. Like when the market is moving like this, Um, trading trading is hard. It's very taxing because you gotta like be very patient, wait for a clear move. And with days like today, like I missed the move today, um, it's kind of like making me overtrade or like really playing with my patience. But sometimes it's like that. If you miss the move, like we need to understand that and walk away, or just be very, very patient and just wait for a clear um A plus setup. Yeah, we need to watch and wait. Watch and wait. And that's why a lot of people say, and I agree with that, that trading is boring. It should be boring because we need to wait for good setups. Like today, the A plus setup was what's going on? Um, HD, like HD. Um, yeah, it looks amazing, but I decided to get COD instead of HD, so there's nothing I can do about it, even though like HD is like breaking out hard and COD is just like holding. So, um, yeah, definitely. We need hobbies. That's why I stopped trading, kind of tried to stop trading at lunchtime, and then I just go work out and I don't know, do other things. Okay, so I'm holding coin and I'm holding CAD. I don't really trade IWM. Um, I got 450 calls on a SPY, 0 DT. I really like the risk to reward there. I kind of feel like I'm over trading, but I do like how SPY on the bigger time frame held 448. And that's my last trade of the day. And if Meta goes back up to 310 and hold it as support, I think that's very bullish. Okay, so COD, it's coming back to life. Let's see what IWM is doing. I don't trade this because I don't like how it move. Hmm, but it has a gap to fill till 190 and you want to see it holding 190. Do you know what I've been doing? It's working out very good, selling premium. I don't talk about it because I don't want to like um update on that, but I when the market moves like this on a range or it moves very slow, like the past let's see, the few days it's been like moving on a range, I start selling premium because it's a very like safe way of making money. Like keep growing your account. And it's very good when you get like you start selling premium like right before earnings like I did with Tesla. I have some Tesla. I'm selling some Tesla naked calls and I got it just um before earnings. I got the 320 calls and those are paying. I'm gonna get 100% on that this Friday. You can sell premium with naked calls and puts, covered calls. You can sell premium many, many ways. I was thinking on doing that with a small account. It's just a small account is not really gonna move with that. But the key is to sell premium when the market is choppy or like do something like I did with Tesla, like right before earnings, right before like something big, because the premiums are higher, so you get more money for your money. Like I'm thinking on doing that with Nvidia earnings. Let's see when it's Nvidia earnings. Um, it's on the 23rd. So 23rd is like 2 weeks out. Yeah. So the premiums on that week on Monday, and so the 23rd is on Wednesday. So on 21st and 22nd is when I'm gonna be looking uh to sell premium on on Nvidia. And I think I'm gonna get naked calls because I don't really see Nvidia going more high. Like it can maybe move a little, but not. I don't really think Nvidia is gonna make like a huge move like the past earnings. If you see how the past few days how earnings been moving, it's been moving kind of weird, not like the whenever the earnings are good, the move up is not as big as the move down. So yeah, right before earnings on Nvidia, I'm gonna be looking to play to sell calls way out of the money calls. So Nvidia right now I think it's around 440, maybe lower. Ooh, 431. So Um, let's just say if Nvidia had earnings tomorrow, obviously, with this down move, the calls will be down. But let's just say Nvidia is just holding there, and it has earnings end of the week. So I'll be looking to sell at least above 481. So it will be 482 naked calls because that's a huge jump. Morning. So 448 and SPY is holding very good, and I like that the 30 minutes it's it's doing like an indecision candle but are green. QQ is definitely weaker because Apple is weak. I think Apple is gonna go back down to yesterday's low because um yesterday's low and Monday's low it's the same kind of level of support, which is around 177.50, and it looks like it wants to retest that level. Oh yeah, definitely. Selling naked calls or puts around earnings is a very risky move, but so far for me it's been paying out big, like very good. But yeah, I think the key is to sell either puts or calls way out of the money and above or under a strong support or resistance. So let's just say you want to sell calls, you need to go way above strong resistance. Anybody meta put? Who's holding meta put? Who got in the 310 rejection? Spies fighting really, really hard. Not keep going with the downtrend. Ooh, ooh. So let's go with the snack of the day because this is getting very boring and I'm hungry. So I have only two options. The first one is the caramel choco. I kind of feel like trying this one. And the other one is the Quest birthday cake flavor. So which one's gonna be? The Bearville brand or the Quest? Okay, we wanna see Kat doing that. Birthday cake? Okay, so I guess it's gonna be the birthday cake. Thank you, Robert. Point for participation. So, the calories are 180 calories. Let's see, 7 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 20 grams of protein. This is how it looks. Birthday cake flavor. Pretty good. Chewy, very chewy. Mm. Yeah, 20 grams of. Yeah, this one has like very good macros. For being Quest, it has very good macros. And I like that it's chewy. I know some people don't like chewy stuff, but I love like kind of like chalky, chewy cookies and protein bars and all that. Okay. Well, 288 is the next like a strong resistance on cat. So Apple new low of the day. If a spy can reverse here, cat is gonna boom boom. Coin is holding 86. So far, this one is my favorite from Quest. Very slow move. So now we want to see cat holding this high of like this morning high. We want to see it holding as a board. We want to keep seeing SPY holding 448. Yeah, so it looks like a break and retest here of 448. Yeah, that was too. Uh, Is that yesterday high? No, but it was yesterday clear. So bored, but not anymore. Mm. Damn, that's an ugly move. Coin is holding very good, but I don't like anything. Like CAD is holding, HD is holding, Coin is holding 86, but Spike you're very, very bearish. So yeah, the play today was either play QQQ boots or Apple boots, like early morning. But right now, I'm not gonna get any boots, honestly. I feel like chasing. And I'm not gonna keep trying to go to get calls because it's against the trend. Coin at 85, 85.60. Damn, that's an ugly, ugly move. Ugly move on the market, but Google is still kind of holding, which is weird. Okay, so Apple is finally at 177 at near yesterday's low. Let's see if it's gonna hold here. The gap in the QQQ is till 368.20 around there. Anybody on the meta puts rejection of 310? That was that was a play. Okay, today was not my day. I should have played puts at open. I didn't, and then I saw the clear rejection of 310 on meta, and I didn't do it either. So I'm holding only CAD and coin. Those are the only ones that I'm holding. But I'm not gonna keep being here because I know I'm not gonna keep trading. So CAD I'm gonna hold unless it loses 283. As long as CAD is holding 283, I'm gonna keep holding my calls. And for coin, unless it loses yesterday's low, I'm gonna set my calls also. Otherwise, I'm getting out of coin. So CAD and coins are the only ones that are holding. I don't love them because the market is going down. Both are kind of holding, but still pretty much going against the trend. But yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna keep being here trying to trade more. The move was to get inputs in the morning, like at open, and that's it. Or the 310 rejection on meta. But not my day today. And we need to understand that if we didn't like make the trade in like early, if we didn't get in the trade at the best entry, trying to do it after, it's just chasing. And it's not a good way of trading. So yeah, guys, I know it was a boring day today, but sometimes like that. Sometimes it's good, sometimes maybe shit. So, done for the day. Thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow, hopefully with better trades, but it is what it is.